Hi, my name is Apryl Miller. I'm an artist, and we are sitting in my home, which is known as the Apryl Miller Zeitgeist. I call this place the Apryl Miller Zeitgeist because we all have our own zeitgeist that we live in, that we choose to live. And living my life, raising my children here, all of those things are incorporated within this space for me. Color is important to me because color is life. Color is everything that has meaning in the world. These things really speak to me a lot. Welcome to my magical, stupendous, colorful living room. All of the rooms have gorgeous light in them because the windows have unobstructed views. So the carpet runs along the wall where the windows are. And it's kind of like a river or a stream, except of course there are colors. The couch in this living room is the very first piece that I put together. This actually is two halves of two different couches from completely different eras. It's like a party. I think about when I look at it, when I sit in it, because there's so many different things going on in the textures and the colors, and there's like some fireworks in here, I think. The title of this piece is The Silence of Love and Families, and it's a whole story about our relationships with each other. And it's made out of pieces of styrofoam that have been cut into teardrops. I'm interested in things that have a life and have a movement, and they speak and they talk to us. Welcome to our TV room. The big wall behind me, the purple and the red, that adds a whole different element to this room because for the most part, this room is very quiet. In terms of exposing the cement areas that are inherent in this room, we also did the same thing with the ceiling. And so we have an asymmetry that gives it a lot more interest than it would have if it was all the same. When my children were younger, after a while you notice that there are marks on the windowsills and you can't get them clean. So I just took some of their little shoes and dipped the sole of the shoe in a color. So I couldn't eradicate the damage, but I camouflaged the damage. Welcome to my kitchen. So we have the cupboards behind me with the blue. There are the plastic pieces that were painted on the inside. And if you look at the top, it looks like it's a sea that's coming in with waves. I love the table here. We made it different shapes as if people were sitting there and they were held by the shape of the table. But the genesis of this table are the legs. I made the legs with little shelves cut out in them. The idea being when my children played on the table, they could put their little toys on the shelves underneath the table in the legs. The kitchen is totally functional, everything works, but you know, the idea is that I just wanted to put a stamp on it. Like every other room in the house has a particular stamp. For each of the bedrooms, I did something special, and for my children, one of them has a stage in her bedroom and the other one has a loft with stairs going up to it, which is very cute and very fun. My bedroom is, I think, a little quieter than the other bedrooms in the house, but I do have this giant pharaoh. And then also, one of my fabric collages is hanging in a frame. My bed is asymmetrical and it's covered in these beautiful vintage fabrics. It has a lot to say with the way that it moves. A home should be a place that is not static, that it should always be changing and moving and growing, and changing as the people in the space change. I hope you've enjoyed your visit to my home, and this project has been an evolving process as my kids have grown, you know, as I've changed also. I hope some of the things that you've seen here have resonated for you in your own home, and I look forward to seeing you on my next project.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.